Okay, cool. So you want to be a content creator, right? And you don't know what to do. The first step is to just post. Make sure you post anything. It can be literally anything. And then you'll find out the plan there is that you need to do. It might not get views, it might not get any views. I don't even know if this video is gonna get views. But as long as you're doing something, then you're one step closer than somebody that's not doing anything. Do you get what I mean? You're one step closer to achieving your dreams, achieving your goals, achieving anything you want to do because you've decided to do it. Do you get what I'm saying? So obviously, make sure you're just pushing, make sure you're working hard and you're focused on the grind. Don't really let other people's opinions get to you too much as well, because I know you want them to like the stuff you're doing, and I know you want them because it's personal, it's your dream. I know you want them to like it, but you just have to evolve and adapt within yourself, and you'll be able to do more. Do you get what I mean? Like, I believe you got this. Like, if you've clicked this video, that means that, you get what I mean? That means that, like, you really want to do this. Like, you're not gonna see the video probably has a terrible thumbnail. You're not gonna click it if you really didn't want to know. And just try and make plans for it. What I do is I have my notes and I make like a plan for each month. I'm gonna do this, each month I'm gonna do that, each month I'm gonna do that. And if it's hard, you can even let's say you have a little bit of money, you can pay people to help you come up with content plans. There's so much stuff you can do within the content space, so don't feel like giving up, because when it gets tough, it has to get tough to get good, because if it's not tough, then when it does get good, you're not going to know what to do or why it even got good. You're not really going to fully understand it. You're just going to shoot randomly into the air. Do you get what I mean? Like, for example, let's say you was a footballer, right? Footballers don't just come out being the best footballer in the world, they practice. So therefore, with your content, you need to be practicing every day. Even if it's little stuff here and there, even if it's something, as long as it's something, it's a step forward to what you want to do. And there's no time like the present. Yeah, you might be thinking, oh, what if it looks bad? What if it doesn't look great? What if it's da-da-da? Look how I'm doing. This is literally not scripted, off of my iPhone, in my room. You get what I mean? I'm not using my camera. I have a camera. Also, when you get the, make sure you invest in equipment when you can as well. I've got a camera, but I decided to use my iPhone because I just wanted to do my iPhone. And then yeah, but I believe you've got this, and I believe you can do this. You want to do it. Not because you might not be the best, you might not be as good as your friends when it comes to, let's say you want to do music, or let's say you do content. You might not be as good as your friends, but you're you, and there's only one you. So don't feel like you have to fit into a category of being something else. Just be yourself, and you've got this. But yeah, I believe in you. Goodbye.